Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and now I want to share a Louis Vuitton bag. You can see the bag like this. Yes, it's a heart shape, yeah, and it's pink. There is a heart shape. Yeah, the material of the bag is made, it's real leather, yes. Yeah, and this is the side. Yeah, you can see the side like this. Yeah, there are two hardware, small hardware. It's golden, and that is the zip. Yeah, and the zip head. Yes. Another side we can see there is a hardware. Yeah, the back side. Yes, this is the back side, and the strap. The strap it's adjustable. Yes, it's adjustable by the buckle. You can see here is a buckle. Yeah, it's golden. It's very shiny. Yeah, now I will open the bag. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the inside of the bag. Okay, the color is red, and we can see there's a small pocket and a leather label. Yes, and logo. Yes, the logo, Louis Vuitton logo, very clear. And here is another label. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is the label. Okay. Now, so this is the inside of the bag. Yeah. Okay. This is all about the bag. It's a very beautiful bag. Okay, it's beautiful. Yes, it's very nice. Now let me show you the box and some accessories. Yeah, this is the shoe caribbean and some other things and the shopping bag. So if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.